Hi, this is Carol Grant, estate planning attorney here in Davie, Florida. So today I am going to speak to you about how you can avoid a Florida guardianship. So although I am an estate planning attorney, I also handle probate and guardianships. And, a guardianship is intrusive, it's public, and it's costly. So, what happens with a guardianship is, before we file the paperwork for the guardianship, there's an assessment that I would make to see whether or not you qualify for the guardianship. One of the things I like to do is find out, or I have to do actually, is find out whether or not the person has executed a power of attorney, a healthcare surrogate, or a trust. And if they did, those documents could act as what's called the least restrictive alternative. So, in other words, those documents could stand in place of a guardianship. And that's important because if you can at all avoid a Florida guardianship, I would highly recommend it. And when I speak to my clients, I am focused on, are there ways that we can avoid filing a guardianship? So in a guardianship proceeding in Florida, we first filed the petition along with all the other pleadings. Once the petition is filed, the court or the mental health department, they appoint a 3-member committee, and they then go out and evaluate the person who we are saying might need a guardianship. And we call that person the alleged incapacitated person. So once the committee members go out and evaluate them, then they would file a report with the court, and then we'll have a hearing. And I'm not going to go into all the details of a guardianship, but I want to stop at this point. Once the committee reports are filed and we have the hearing, at that hearing, according to Florida law, the judge or the general magistrate must make a determination as to whether or not there is a least restrictive alternative to a guardianship. In other words, are there documents in place, such as a healthcare surrogate, a power of attorney, or a revocable living trust that would be able to work to address the issues that this person is having, whether it's managing their property, whether it's managing their health. And if the court finds that there are documents in place, then hopefully a guardianship can be avoided. So again, a Florida guardianship can be avoided if the right documents are in place, you name the right people to manage your health in the event that you're unable to, and you name the right person or persons to manage your property, your business, your bank accounts, your assets, just in case you are unable to do that. So again, it's important that if you are not sure whether or not you have these documents in place, you need to contact a Florida lawyer. You can call my office, Carol, you can call my office, 954-404-8274. I am going to put all the information in the comments section so you can actually schedule a consultation. Again, a Florida guardianship can be avoided. All right. I wish you a happy, happy day.